Hello and welcome back. Today I'm sharing a recipe from my recipe binder, Buttermilk Biscuits. This recipe makes 16 biscuits. Before getting started, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients together and then cut in 1 cup of unsalted butter that is very cold and has been cubed. When the mixture looks slightly crumbly, pour in 1 cup of buttermilk and half a cup of whole milk. Mix until it is just combined. Use your hand to form it into a ball. Then turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Using your hands, pat the dough until it resembles a rectangle. Use your rolling pin to make a larger rectangle. Then fold the dough like an envelope. First right third over the middle, then left third over the middle. Gently roll it out. Turn your dough 180 degrees and repeat the folding and rolling process about 4 more times. Now, roll the dough out to about ½ inch thick. Use a 2½ to 3 inch round cutter to cut the biscuits. Re-roll and cut more biscuits as necessary. Place your biscuits onto the prepared baking sheet. Let the biscuits rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. This helps them keep their shape and rise more vertically instead of horizontally. While the biscuits chill, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for 13 to 15 minutes or until the tops are a light golden brown. Remove the biscuits from the oven, then brush the tops with 4 tablespoons of butter that has been melted. When you're ready to eat, make sure you serve them warm. From my kitchen to yours, Buttermilk Biscuits. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.